fifth day. We got straight in, so that's great. But then they charge you like an extra $40 a day to park. So
Yeah.
it's fun. We'll have a look around, see what's here. And yeah, we get 2 days, so we don't have to rush anything. So we'll see. The donuts. Remember that episode, when Halloween episode?
Yeah.
Where they turn around, this one, yeah, this guy, he comes alive and he starts throwing his donuts around everywhere. Well, we're gonna go on the Krusty, ride. Yeah, so we're in Springfield, so we're gonna go on this roller coaster, our first one. I don't know. That was not a roller coaster. It was like a simulation, like one of those rides. And then they just spray you with water the whole time. And oh my god, we both feel sick. Like it's worse than a roller coaster, I think. Like
It was.
like you're not watching. I don't know. It just feels really weird. I was like, where do we go? But it's gonna go on this Mario Kart Bowser stretch. Yeah, but it's like an hour wait.
Yes.
Anyway, at least it's aircon in here. got a cool clip, I'll put it in. But yeah, we're gonna head up to this show, I think now. It's like a water
Wide World show.
Yeah.
It's just, yeah, it's a really cool thing.
And then, yeah, we'll check that out and see what it's like. I use a header's reference.
Yeah.
Right.
Called Waterworld. Brave explorers voyage in search of the legend of Dryland, the last remaining on the planet.
Well, that was really cool.
Just want to leave you out of the heart, but I mean, a plane doesn't come out of the blue sky. So.
It was really cool. But I'm so glad we didn't sit in the wet seats because those people are soaking, like literally soaking. Well, we saved the best to last. We're in the Harry Potter.
Harry Potter. There we are. Oh.
3 room stays. Got these things coming out of the ground. I think so. Going on this ride is that it gets prone to throwing up, so
Yeah. It's not
should be awesome. Should be awesome.
During your visit, you may encounter all manner of things not common to your own.
Well, we didn't vomit, so that was good.
It stopped.
It broke, so
In the middle while we're on it. It
anyway.
was so high, I was like, oh, we have no broken.
I mean, at least we didn't break upside down, so.
Yeah. It just looks so, it just looks fun.
Really good. Like ice cream in there too. We had fish and chips, 3 room sticks. That's pretty good.
And a butterbeer.
And a butterbeer there as well. And then we went on this ride, we couldn't film it all, so a bit lame. But it was a quick 3-second roller coaster that we were terrified about.
I hate roller coasters.
It was pretty good. And now we see another butterbeer. We'll have a quick walk around. I don't think there's much else left to do that we want to do anyways. So we might just end up leaving here. And I don't think we'll end up coming back tomorrow.
We've honestly kind of done everything.
Yeah, there's a couple things about it, yeah. Then I think we're going to head down to Santa Monica Pier.
Yeah. And then it's walk along.
Should be cool. Well, we're out of What do we leave?
Universal Studios,
Yeah.
Hollywood.
We left that and it came down to Santa Monica Pier and beach and all the rest of it. It's just down in the distance. We're like parked like way up on the street up here.
Venice Beach.
So
it's really cute.
all the palm trees. But yeah, we're just gonna walk down. It's like 20 minutes walk, but probably walk down there, wait for sunset down there because we get some banger photos. Yeah, it should be fun.
Very windy.
Very windy. Made it up to
Santa Monica Pier. I don't think that's the end. Oh yeah, it is. We're gonna go on the other side, so
basically the end.
yeah.
But we're gonna go jump on the other side. I think it's gonna be better for photos. Maybe we'll go up, walk down there underneath the pier.
Yeah.
Get some things there. But
I think we go out through that little hole that we saw.
yeah, I ran over a lot of people on this pier. This is in GTA 5.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, one flip. Well, actually, all in all, it was a pretty good sunset. I mean, it's technically still setting over that way, but otherwise, it was pretty good. Clarissa's taking selfies.
Can you
We're trying to. Well, guys, my camera's about to die, and I did not bring another battery with me, so I'll catch you guys up when we're back at the car. Well, guys, we made it back. Clarissa's in the front watching some shows, and I'm just chilling back here. I'm gonna edit some photos. This is what the noise is. The inverter kicks on. It's actually quite annoying while the laptop's being charged and used. But either way, I'm gonna work on some editing, some videos and photos and everything like that. So we'll catch you guys in the morning. You guys are stuck with just me today. Clarissa is not feeling the best. She had like this thing, like she actually was like stuck in her throat, and then like she was like not throwing up last time, but just felt like really unwell. So she didn't sleep very much, and I went to the pharmacy this morning. We got her some stuff. Apparently it's like an acid reflux or something like that, so we'll see. Hopefully the thing helps. Apparently she's already starting to feel better, but she's just napping at the moment. So you guys get to come just chill with me today. I don't really know where I'm going. I just thought I'd go for a walk, see what downtown LA had to offer, and we'll just pick up our schedule that we planned tomorrow. So we'll stay here again another night. It's pretty good, not a bad area. So yeah, we'll see what we find today. Oh, that was pretty random. Just started talking to this guy. He's like, oh, I saw your camera and stuff. And then he's like, oh, I'm this guy. I shoot supermodels and all this stuff. Anyways, he showed me his Instagram, and he's like apparently like Tom Hanks's photographer or something like that. It was pretty good. Had a little chat with him and everything, so it was pretty fun. Well, guys, I didn't really find anything interesting downtown today, apart from that guy that stopped me. It's pretty random, but anyways, yeah, I'm gonna cook up some food. We're gonna have some nachos tonight, I think. We got these mince that we need to cook. We got chips and everything for it as well. But before we do that, a hazy IPA. So we're gonna have that one. Pretty good. It's like a citrus tropical IPA. That's pretty good. Okay, so we're gonna need a few things on here. So of course we're gonna need the mince. There we go. So we have our taco mince. Well, nacho mince really, not taco mince, but it's super easy. I used to cook this all the time at home. It literally takes like 5 minutes to actually like cook everything and get it all done. So, oof, look at that thing, epic. Okay, let's go ahead and get this plated up in 1, 2, 3. There we go. Really basic because we ran out of cheese, and I do have lime and jalapenos in there, but I'm just feeling super lazy to cook it. So, well, chop it out really, not cook it. But yeah, we just rocking some of this for the dinner. Yeah, let's see how it goes. It's pretty cool. Very cool. Lime and pepper. What do you think, Clarissa? Now we get the fun job of cleaning everything up. You know what is really good for you guys? The power of editing. Watch this. In 1, 2, 3. There we go, guys. Everything is all done. All cleaned up, put away. So we're probably just gonna head to bed tonight and watch some movies and yeah, just chill out for the rest of the evening, and then tomorrow we'll probably jump back onto our plan, heading up the Hollywood sign, the Walk of Fame and everything like that. So I'll see you, almost dropped the camera. I'll see you guys in the morning. Is back.
Hi.
Not there.
No, not bad.
We're here on the Hollywood Strip. What is it called?
Walk of Fame.
Walk of Fame, yeah. I mean, it's okay. It's just like a lot of shops and the stars on the ground. So I'm just gonna walk back towards the car because I think that's all this place has to offer.
Yeah.
So we're going to go up and see the Hollywood sign. So.
Yeah.
Well, there it is, guys. The Hollywood sign. You can barely even see it, I don't think, on the screen. How cool.
So cool.
That was LA Hollywood. I think the plan is now we're gonna leave this place and start heading towards Vegas. Gotta get a oil change on the way, which is super duper exciting. Depending how long this video is when I edit it, you'll either see Vegas now or next week. So if it's next week, we'll see you guys then.
Thanks guys, bye.